Okay, good morning. Okay, let me see. Ada siapa pagi ni? Oris, Raisya, Aminah, Ziad, Zara, Hafsa, Mariam, Afia, Raid, Khadijah, and Alfa. Welcome, Alfa. How are you? Okay, Alfa will be one of the speakers for TED Talk. So I invited her to go through her thing, inshallah. So we have a list already. Okay, good. So Auris, Hafsa, Raisha, Mariam, Khadijah. Okay. Auris, take it away.
Okey. Aunty Sheila,
Hmm.
dekat atas pentas tu ada tempat boleh share screen ke?
Yes.
Oh, ni saya nak tunjuk saya punya slide je. Nak tengok okey ke tak?
Boleh? Hmm.
Okey.
It's
So
Ami.
ni,
Ami is not here.
dia kat Turki.
Turki pula dah.
Ada
Dah dah.
kelas.
Ha, dia dekat Turki.
Dia kat Turki.
Nanti next Sunday dia ada tak?
Sunday ada. Dia balik 11.
Okay, insyaAllah. Okay, Auris tengok tu. Assalamualaikum.
Hmm.
Okay, yang ni tak payah tunjuk kot.
Oh,
Eh? Yang ni nanti
Hmm.
tak payah tunjuk. Nanti tunjuk apa yang nak tunjuk. Okay? Alright, start.
Okey. Yang ni, mana?
Tak payah tunjuk. Hmm.
Oh, ini. So
You can
yang ni.
tak payah delete lah. You can hide the slide.
Hmm.
Memang jadi you can just hide. You know how to hide? Yeah, hide page. Yes, correct.
Dulu ni.
Yeah. Sini instead of Assalamualaikum, okay, unhide it.
Oh.
You terus bubuh the title.
Terus?
Title reversible versus irreversible reaction by, lepas tu bubuh your name and Amir's name.
Oh. Macam ni?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Lepas tu, ni kita orang ada letak tajuk dia. Lepas tu, ni gambar getah ni.
Then let
Saya
it
ada
be.
sikit je.
Yeah, let it be, and then you're going to do the interaction with the audience, kan?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Then you ambil volunteer, kan?
Ha-ha.
Alright. So
Volunteer.
I'm gonna put all the children dekat depan. So they're gonna bersila dekat depan. Okay. They
Mm-mm.
pun hide.
Hmm. Ni gambar ni nak tunjuk.
Correct.
Saya dah hafal skrip dia. Ni macam nak tunjuk ada getah. Lepas tu kena tarik getah. Dan lepas,
Boleh. Hmm. Boleh. Hmm.
nanti
Hmm. Betul. Hmm.
tak
So
lepas
you
letak je.
can yeah, you can tell the children cakap, tengok slide ni kalau tak faham. Tarik, lepas. Tarik, lepas. Macam tu. Buat demonstration.
Lepas tu ni, slide di
Oh, yang
betul
ni
ni
kita
reverse.
panggil reversible. Sebab
Hmm.
dia boleh reverse balik jadi macam bentuk biasa kan. Jadi ni reaction ni kita panggil reversible. Everybody. Buat macam tu.
Oh. Okay.
Okay?
Lepas tu yang dua ni nak kenal dia.
Tak payah. Tak payah. Dan you
Oh.
terus bawa je. Yeah, you can delete this.
Oh.
Yeah. Then, yeah, you can delete this. Okay, no. Okay, then you bring in. So you need a table, eh?
Mm-mm.
So we have to bring a table.
Tapi ni aja nak kena tukar gambar ni. Saya
Tak
ada
apa.
ni. Tu.
Hmm. So then you put the background up on the stage.
Hmm. Lepas tu
Okay.
nanti kita orang akan panggil seorang budak, tapi sebabkan Burkina tu ada dua, so panggil dua.
Yes,
Lepas
good.
tu pengenalan.
Ni
Lepas
tak
tu,
payah lah. Nah, ni tak payah.
tak payah.
Mm-mm.
Tak payah.
Saya tunjuk. Okay. Okay, yang ni pun tak payah. You just terus je buat the demo.
Reversible.
Yeah, then you explain. Yang ini pula namanya. Sebelum you go to the video, you have to
Hmm.
explain yang apa yang dia orang buat tu. Yang ni, reaction ni sekarang kita panggil irreversible. Sebab apa irreversible? Sebab tak boleh
Patah
apa?
balik.
Ha?
Tak boleh patah balik.
Ha,
Perubahan saya.
cakap tanya orang. Sebab tak boleh apa? Sebab tak boleh reverse. Boleh tak reverse balik ambil apa baking soda? Tak boleh. Boleh tak ambil balik dia cuka? Tak boleh sebab dia dah bercampur, dia dah jadi benda lain. So kalau macam ni kita panggil irreversible. Adik-adik. Macam tu.
Hmm.
Yeah, then orang
Pas,
faham. So don't rush to move to the video. Uh, you stay on step one dulu untuk bagi orang faham apakah definition reversible and irreversible.
hmm.
Okay?
So macam lepas tu orang kat irreversible, tanya balik apa tu reversible dengan
Boleh?
irreversible.
Boleh? To review balik apa tu reversible. Dia boleh patah balik. Apa itu
Hmm.
irreversible? Dia boleh patah balik ke tak? Tak boleh. Betul pandai. Macam tu. Macam science show lah. Okay?
Lepas tu Amir punya part.
Okay.
Compare question je. Question saya.
What is the
Question
question?
kita orang tunjuk question mark ni je.
Okay. Then what are the questions?
Question. Sekejap, saya lupa. Sudah ambil skrip.
Hmm.
Okey, sekejap. Oh, saya punya part compare dengan question. Ni soalan dia. Macam mana kalau cuka tahu kalau dia campur dengan baking soda dan sabun dia akan meletup? Dan siapa yang suruh dia meletup? Boleh ke kalau abang tak letak cuka, abang letak air biasa, air mineral?
Hmm.
Boleh dia meletup tak? Cuba
Tak.
adik-adik beritahu macam mana.
Wait. Your question, you
Okay.
have to wait. You have to wait until orang berjawab. Okay,
Oh,
start again. Okay, everybody unmute. Kita pretend jadi audience untuk Auris. Everybody unmute. Okay, Auris start asking the question. One question at a time. Allow us to answer. Okay.
so adik-adik.
Hmm,
Abang Audis ada soalan.
okay.
Macam mana cuka tahu kalau dia campur dengan baking soda dan sabun dia akan meletup?
Entah.
Entah, boleh kot.
Tak tahu macam mana dia tahu. Tak tahu? Okay, tak apa. Then you move on to another question.
Dan siapa yang suruh dia meletup?
Allah.
Boleh ke?
Allah.
Okay, I think we cannot tanya siapa. Sebab kalau kita tanya
Oh,
siapa, semua orang akan tak jawab terus Allah. So,
okey.
yeah, delete that siapa question. Okay, next question.
Okey. Uh, Boleh ke kalau abang tak letak cuka, abang letak air pipe, air mineral. Boleh ke dia meletup?
Tak, mana boleh?
Salah.
Tak boleh.
Tahu.
Ada dua soalan je. Nak
Jadi,
tak boleh ke?
okay, ya, apa salin dia? Jadi, macam mana baking soda dengan cuka tahu that dia orang meletup bila bergabung? Mesti ada yang design, mesti ada yang cipta sifat-sifat cuka yang menyebabkan baking soda meletup? Kan? Mesti ada, mesti ada, mesti ada, apa ya? Uh, Ya, mesti ada yang mencipta sifat-sifat cuka untuk meletup bila digabungkan dengan baking soda, kan? Itu je. Lepas tu tunjuk, tunjuk. Takkanlah, satu lagi soalan. Takkanlah dia pandai-pandai sendiri je. Kalau jumpa cuka, meletup. Jumpa air, tak payah meletup. Macam mana dia tahu? Ha, okay, lepas tu jangan tunjuk Allah lagi. You have to tunjuk the video. Oh, tadi dah tunjuk video. Oh, okay. Tadi dah tunjuk
Tunjuk.
video ya. Okay. Alright. So,
Ni
question.
step Amir. Connect. Step
Um,
Amir.
okay, siap. Okay, question lagi. So, question lagi. Sebab tadi you question pasal the eksperimen. Now, tadi dalam video volcano tu kan, macam
Mm-mm.
mana volcano tahu bila nak meletup? Mesti ada sesuatu yang buat dia meletup. Kan? Okay, dan baru you connect. Bila orang dah terfikir, lah mana dia boleh meletup sendiri. Mesti ada orang yang lagi bijak untuk meletupkan dia. Then baru you connect. Alright. Then, ni
Step
sama punya.
Amir. Amir.
Ambil.
Amir
Itulah
tak boleh tu.
adik-adik. Itulah bila kita nampak volcano, bila kita nampak apa-apa chemical reaction, kita kena terus nampak dan ingat Allah lah di sebaliknya. Allah Al-Qahar. Allah yang maha mengatasi segala-galanya. Sama seperti tak ada siapa yang dapat menghentikan gunung berapi bila Allah dah kata meletup. Okay, next. Al-Qahar lagi. And Allah juga Al-Qawi. Bila kita nampak volcano meletup, kita terus ingat Allah Al-Qawi. Sebab Allah yang maha kuat. Kekuatan api dan kekuatan gunung berapi mencerminkan kuasa Allah yang tiada tandingannya. Okay, next.
Zikir fikir.
Ya, dan zikir, fikir cukup. Tak tulis lagi ke apa?
Ada dekat link. Alah.
Yang ni you boleh tulis. You tulis kat sini supaya tak lupa. Then you can type it. What is your zikir? What is your fikir? What is your syukur? Do you have it?
Ada dekat sini. Nak edit dulu ke?
Yeah.
Okay. Sekejap tengah cari mana tu. Ni tu. Ziad nak explain dulu ke? Apa nak buat dekat booth tu?
Tak apa, tak apa. Just copy paste je.
Oh, sekejap. Ni saya nak kena tulis ni.
Oh, tak ada kat sini ke? Okay, tak apa.
Tak ada.
Tapi sebab takut nanti hari Jumaat tak sempat pula. Okay, tak apa. Ya, Ziad update dulu while Oris typing. Ziad, are you here? Yeah. Ziad tak pergi Turki pula?
Pak, Amir pergi sebab training.
Ah, okay. So, can you update your game?
Dah update dah. Dah tak gambar dengan print dah.
Can you show us? Ada kamera?
Boleh? Sekejap. Ni,
Apa ni?
tabur ke?
Janganlah. Buanglah blur.
Okey je. Dah
Buang
tu.
blur background.
Sekejap. Dah ni.
Dah print dalam minit dah.
Dah.
Ni ada nama Allah, so you cannot play on the floor. Ke?
Main atas meja.
Main atas meja, eh. Okay. Alright, good job.
Fikir nak buat dua sebab nak macam buat macam dia siapa paling laju.
Boleh juga. Kalau ada masa nak print 9 minit lagi, boleh juga.
Lepas tu nanti bagi idea, boleh ke?
You can sell it even. Kita akan buat auction for Aceh kan?
Boleh kot.
Lepas tu you buat 2 set. Lepas tu satu set tu kita jual untuk lelong. Untuk Aceh. Lepas tu duit tu pergi ke Aceh. Nak?
Nak?
Ya?
Boleh.
Alright. So nanti aunty panggil. Kita auction pukul 12. Oh, nanti orang tengah sibuk main lah pula. Tapi tak apalah. Orang ada masa main pukul 10 sampai pukul 12. And I just need 1 set. Kalau you buat 2 set, Ziad. Orang boleh main 2-2 set. Tapi pukul 12, you have to come to the Dewan untuk jual ni.
Okey.
Untuk Aceh. So, I need 1 set untuk jual. So, nanti aunty panggil. Aunty kata, okay, Ziad nak jual apa? Ziad kata, oh, saya nak jual game Asmaul Husna ni. Siapa nak jual? Okay, berapa ringgit? Berapa ringgit agak-agaknya jual Ziad?
5 lah.
Murah sangat. Takkan nak bagi Aceh RM5.
10.
Okay, bermula dengan RM10, 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 RM10. Siapa nak beli RM10 ini game Asmaul Husna, very good. Sebab nanti kalau anak main tiap-tiap hari, insyaAllah dia akan faham makna Asmaul Husna. Okay, cara nak main dia pergi tengok kat luar tadi. Okay, siapa nak main, siapa yang dah main. Okay, best kan? Best kan? Okay, going once, RM10. Siapa lagi nak? Nak, okay, good. Okay, saya up. Saya upkan kepada RM15. RM15. Siapa nak beli, siapa lagi. Ini bukan senang ni bro. Ini nak kena boleh buat macam papa apa?
Macam lelong.
Yang dalam bukan Ocobot. Ada seorang dalam yang lelong tu, yang suka jual dalam Boboiboy tu. What's his name?
Bagogo.
Mael.
Apa dia Aris?
Bagogo.
Bagogo.
Oh, bagus.
Kena
Bagus.
cakap gogo. Okey, so RM15. Weh, ni bukan senang ni bang. Dia laminate penat-penat ni bang. Dia kena potong lagi bang. Tepat lah bang. Takkan nak bagi RM10 je kat Aceh bang. Duit tu pergi ke Aceh bang. Boleh jadi paliai jariah. 2 in 1 bang. Sambil anak-anak belajar Asma Usna bang. Ay, come on bang. Takkan RM15 bang. Up lagi bang. Up lagi bang. Macam tu lah. Lepas tu ada orang kata RM20. Yes, like that lah. Kita nak bro. Come on bro. Vape boleh beli RM30. Takkanlah benda bermanfaat nak berkira bro. Come on bro. Macam tu lah. Okay, and then, okay, so for RM20 kat pakcik belakang sana. Okay, Ziad, go over and bagi kat pakcik tu pergi minta duit RM20 dan baru bagi kat aunty. Yes, that is how it works. Okay?
Okey.
Kita buat lelong macam tu. So, buat 2 set, 1 set untuk jual lelong insyaAllah. Alright? Okay.
Okey.
Aris dah siap?
Banyak lagi nanti. Orang lain dulu.
Okay, alright. So, who is next? Hafsah.
Nanti.
Hmm.
Dekat bus kita orang tu ni. Boleh ke saya buat macam volcano kecil. Guna plastisin dengan botol. Lepas tu letak bahan-bahan di kat tepi.
Hmm.
Bila budak-budak nak main je kena bayar RM2. Lepas tu boleh buat eksperimen tu.
Boleh?
Boleh.
Okay. Okay, Hafsah.
I still don't know what to give the title.
Yeah, the heart that never rests. Okay.
How
Good.
the heart works. The heart has
Hafsah, step 1, explore, put it on the top. On the left pun tak apa. Yes, correct. So that's the first thing that people will read, right? People understand what it is. Okay, good. And then kalau boleh, can you put effect on it? Go back. Effect. Fill it up. Background. Bawah, 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 bawah. Background, yes, correct. And then put a color line. Like very striking color. You can even put like dark red and then make the no. Go back to yes, effect. Yes, yes, correct. Yes, and then the font is white. Exactly. Very good. Yes. Then I nampak pada jauh. Oh, ni step one dia. Okay, good. Yes.
That one explore how the heart works.
Hmm.
The heart has four chambers that work together to move blood through the body. The top chambers, called atria, receive blood, and the bottom chambers, the ventricles, pump it out. The left side is the strongest. Values inside the heart kind of work like doors to keep the blood flowing the right way. And a thick wall, called the septum, separates the left and right sides, so the blood doesn't mix. The heart is made of a strong muscle that works non-stop and sits inside a protective sac called the pericardium. Pericardium. It also has its own blood vessels called coronary arteries that bring oxygen to the heart so it can keep beating. This is the septum, this pink thing. It's like a wall to keep the blue and the red blood from mixing.
Okay. I think go back Hafsah kejap. People is not a reader these days.
Yeah, my mom said to like make paragraphs.
No, bullet points.
Oh, okay.
And bulletize it. 4 chambers. The heart has 4 chambers. That's one point. Dah. That's the first one. And then
Okay.
the second, then you don't need say that they work together to move blood. No need. The heart has 4 chambers. And then the second point is the top chambers, atria dalam kurungan top chambers receive blood. And then another point, bottom ventricles is the bottom chambers, pump it out. Right?
Okay.
And then the second point is
The
valves.
sec-
Okay, that's fine. Then the third point is septum dalam kurungan the valves. Thick wall separates the left and the right side of the blood, so they don't mix. Then masa you cakap so they don't mix, so the blood doesn't mix too, you explain it verbally lah.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to make it into point form because people are not a reader anymore. The heart is made of strong muscle that works non-stop. Okay, the heart is made of strong muscle non-stop, and that is one bullet point. And then, yeah, that's it. So you have about 5 or 6 points, bullet points.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you know your heart beats over 100,000 times a day, pumping life through every cell of your body without stopping? It starts beating before we're even born and continues to this day. It adjusts its rhythm to our need, faster when we run, slower when we rest.
Okay, wait. There's a slight secularism here. Your heart beats over 100,000 times a day. So instead of writing 100,000 times, bubuh the word, the numbers, sorry, 1,000 times. So it's clearer. Again, this is also has to be in a bullet point. So yeah, 100 ke 1,000?
100,000.
Huh? 100,000 times?
Oh yeah, wait.
How how many times is it? How many?
100,000 times a day.
Okay, 100,000 times. Lepas 100 tu ada koma. 100 koma. And then after 00 tu bubuh X. This is how lazy people these days are. Okay. Okay. Can you bulletize it? Bullet. Okay, that's one. And then bubuh left, not center. Yes, correct. Okay. Then that's it. Yes. Then enter. Enter.
Enter.
After a day tu enter. Okay. Tak payah. it starts beating. Okay, delete everything and yang tu tak payah. Yang tu you just verbalize it. The second point is it starts beating. Yeah, correct. The second point tu tak payah. It pumping life through. It's tak payah because it's also secularized because it doesn't pump life. Allah pumps life.
Okay.
Okay, it starts beating before we even born and continues to these days. Okay, that's one point. And then enter. It starts beating before we were born and continues to this day. Enter. Hmm. Okay, he doesn't know how to adjust the rhythm. Okay, the rhythm is adjusted. The rhythm is adjusted to our need. So it adjusted by Allah. Anak kid, Afia tolong. Barang katuk. Tolong. Thank you, Wan.
Hello.
The rhythm is adjusted to our needs as
How you spell rhythm?
T R R H R R H no R H Y R H Y
What?
H.
Wait. The uh, rhythm. No. Is it wrong? Like this.
R H Y
Or
T R H Y T M T H M, sorry, T H M. There's no more Y. Yes, the
Because
rhythm is adjusted to our needs. Faster when we run, slower when we rest. That's it. Yeah. So you have to do the same macam ni for the others for the previous slides. Okay.
okay.
All right. Okay. And then
Global heart problem. According to the World Health Organization, about 1 in every 3 deaths is related to heart disease. The
mm,
good news is that most heart problems can be prevented just by making healthier lifestyle choices like eating better, moving more, and taking care of our hearts.
okay.
What is CVD? Cardiovascular diseases, or CVDs, are conditions that affect the heart blood vessels. They include problems like heart attacks, strokes, high blood pressure, and heart failure. CVDs happen when the heart or blood vessels don't work properly, often because of blocked or narrowed arteries or weakened heart muscles. Many people with CVD may not notice symptoms at first, but it can lead to serious health problems if not treated or prevented.
Very good. But can you please bulletize also? Bulletize.
Okay.
Bulletize.
Signs of heart disease. Symptoms of heart disease slash CVD. Chest pain or discomfort, sometimes spreading to the arms, jaw, neck, or back. Shortness of breath, especially during activity or when lying down. Fatigue or unusual tiredness, even when little activity. Dizziness, lightheadedness, or fainting. Swelling in the legs, ankles, or feet. Weakness or struggling to exercise or perform normal tasks. Many heart problems can develop quietly over years, and sometimes the first sign is a heart attack or stroke.
Okay, this is good. You see, when you bulletize it macam tu orang boleh baca easier. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your step one, explore, maintain the same style, you see, all the way. Okay.
Have you ever given your car the wrong fuel before? What will happen to your car? Then comparing car with wrong fuel and a heart with blocked arteries. Step two, compare. Can have silent problems that build over years, may need surgery, medicine, or long-term care. Damage may be permanent heart attack. Wait, I think I have to write which one is which.
Okay, comparing car with wrong fuel and a heart with blocked arteries. Nice, very nice. MashaAllah. You have the picture of the blocked arteries kan? Yeah, can you put it on the left? Yang tu. Ambil satu gambar. Something. Yeah, something like that. Just copy paste and then put it there. Correct. Hmm.
Yeah,
Make,
got it.
make it muat lah. Kecil-kecil pun tak apa. Nanti ni nak print besar juga kan. Stop working properly. Need proper supply. Okay, you have to bulletize the middle Venn diagram as well. Stop
Okay.
working properly. Need proper supply to function. With oxygen can get damaged over time if problem isn't fixed. Very good, very nice. Show problem immediately, often can be fixed quickly. Engine may fully recover after fixing. Can have silent problem that built over years, may need surgery, medicine or long-term care. Damage may be permanent. Very nice, very good, very clear, mashallah. Yang belah kanan tu kalau boleh letak gambar kereta rosak je lah.
Okay. Imagine your heart is like that car. If you give it the wrong fuel, it won't work. It won't work as it should. When we fuel our hearts with unhealthy foods like junk food, sugary drinks, or fried snacks, it becomes harder for our heart to do its job.
Okay.
Over time, this can lead to blocked arteries, high blood pressure, and heart disease. But when we give it the right fuel, like fruits, vegetables, water, and regular exercise, our heart runs smoothly and keeps us feeling energetic and healthy. That's the question. Could it really? A car was designed for an intended purpose, and it did not suddenly appear naturally. Similarly, could nature itself really design something so small yet so amazing? If it takes a lot of engineers to design a car, can we believe that the heart does not require a designer? If we use the car wrongly against its intended design, should we be surprised that the car will not function properly? The heart is an amanah gifted to us from our Creator. Therefore, we need to take care of it.
Very nice, mashallah.
That's why interconnectivity. The human heart shows a deep interconnectivity within the body. Every beat pushes blood through a vast network of vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell, and in return, each cell supports the heart by keeping the body alive and balanced. If one system fails, the others are affected, showing that nothing in creation works alone. This perfect coordination shows how Allah designed the universe, where every part, no matter how small, is connected in purpose and function.
I love this so much, but the picture doesn't do justice. The picture has to represent what you're trying to say. So you're talking about interconnectivity. So instead of just showing the heart picture, can you show the whole human body where the heart is at the center, and then all the blood vessel is connected to it?
Okay.
Okay, and then the last sentence, can you highlight that for some, because there's too many words again, and maybe we don't want to bulletize this because it's very nicely designed, but then the last sentence, Allah, this perfect coordination, yes, correct. We need to highlight this somehow.
Highlight.
No, effect will only work if you do it everything. Yeah, you have to highlight with the background, but meaning you have to copy paste this, but do a different paragraphs. Because if you highlight, it's going to highlight the entire paragraphs.
Okay.
Correct? So you copy paste, tak apa, you copy paste, and then the last paragraph is a new, a new paragraph, a new block. Correct. Okay, then you highlight this, yes.
What color?
Huh?
Okay. What color? Yellow?
Yeah.
Okay. Asmaul Husna, Al-Qayyum, the sustainer. The heart beats only by Allah's will. Every pulse sustains our life, showing His mercy and power. Al-Wadud, the most loving. Allah fills our heart with love and compassion. Each beat reminds us to show kindness and mercy. Al-Hakim, the most wise. The heart is perfectly designed to keep us alive. Its structure and function reflect Allah's wisdom in creation.
Okay.
Fikir, fikir, syukur. Fikir. We should remember Allah when we feel our hearts beating with perfect rhythm every steady pulse. It's a reminder of His mercy, His precision, and His power. Each beat is a sign that He sustains us without pause, even when we forget to be grateful. Our hearts never stop, not because of our own strength, but because Allah allows them to keep beating perfectly, constantly, and with purpose.
Nice.
Thinking about how He designed every fikir. Thinking about how He designed every pulse and vessel to follow His precise laws, how each heartbeat flows in perfect harmony with thousands of veins and arteries, never missing a beat. The way blood moves through our bodies isn't random. It's a flawless system that works without our command, guided only by His will. Shukr. And be thankful that He gave us hearts that give life to our bodies and love to our souls. Hearts that beat without rest, carrying not only blood, but emotion, compassion, and faith. He allows us to feel joy, sorrow, connection, to love others, and to find peace in remembrance.
Okay.
Okay, lesson. A strong heart keeps the body alive, and patience keeps our mind and action steady through life's challenges. We should remain calm and trust that every difficulty has purpose. Just as a strong heart keeps the whole body alive, a good character strengthens our relationships and our faith. We should focus on being sincere, humble, and caring on the inside, because true goodness begins within the heart before it shows in our actions.
I think one more lesson that your whole focus is actually about not doing things against the intended design. No, is it not? Because your analogy was about car. If you put it the wrong fuel, it won't work. Heart, if you feed it the wrong thing, it will get problem, right? So the character lesson should be about that. The character lesson is that every creation was designed with intended purpose, and it's a great amanah, right? So we need to learn how to live. Uh, uh, we have to make sure that our lifestyle aligns with the fitrah. Yeah. So you can apa copy paste this.
Oh.
Okay, tak apa, nanti beautify it later. So we're just going to say, we learn from here, right? What we learn is that every creation was created with an intended purpose. Intended purpose. Macam mana nak cakap? Sekejap eh. Nanti cakap apa tadi eh? Okay, every creation was intended with intended purpose and to fulfill its purpose.
Huh? Wait, can you repeat?
And
Oh my God. And
to fulfill its purpose. Betul. No, what else? Purpose. We need to use it according to the design. Yes, to its design. Stop. Every nikmah. Wait. Yeah, betul. Every nikmah from Allah is an amanah. Full stop. We need to make sure our lifestyle is taking care of all these nikmah. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, edit it.
All right, good. MashaAllah. Now remember, character lesson is step 5. So all on the page, all of the pages put all the step number so that people akan nampak apa step dia. Sebab most of the people who are coming, they have no idea what 5D is about.
Okay.
All right, so be mindful of all your steps and put it clearly and then very bold and clear that this is what which step.
Okay. Is
And then,
is this step compare?
which one?
This one. This one to this one.
Yes, these are all compare. Still
Yeah.
compare. And then after compare, baru you question kan? Baru
Yeah.
you change to question.
Okay.
Hmm.
I think so my mom said that some parts I can just like write it on the paper instead of printing it.
Correct. You
And
can.
also maybe some of the slides will look different.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
How does your heart looks like now?
Wait, let me go get it.
Oh, cantik dah.
Orange, I had to like edit it a bit because the orange is the septum.
Hmm.
So it like it makes a wall for the red and the blue blood to be separated.
MashaAllah. Looks so good. MashaAllah. All right.
Okay.
Good job, Hafsah. Thank you. Okay, Raisha.
Okay, wait, oh sorry. I didn't put the pictures because it's still uploading.
Hmm?
I haven't put up the real heart and the real car engine like you said before because it's still uploading.
Wah, lamanya uploading.
Should I just show you the whole
Yeah.
presentation
So this
from
is
the
what you're going to show during the TED Talk, eh?
okay.
Yeah, put your name here, dear.
Oh, okay.
So tak payah Assalamualaikum tu. This one tak payah. So you just put your name there. And then this one you just talk it out. Tak payah tunjuk slide. Okay.
I'll change the font later. From the hive to the heart. Oh my God. Sorry, my internet's not good. Exploration. Bees are just yellow with black strips insects. They live in a large group of bees called a swarm. In a swarm, there is the queen bee, worker bees, and drones. A queen bee is the only female in the hive that can lay eggs. A drone's job is to mate with the queen. Worker bees help take care of the larvae and baby bees. Humans and animals get honey through bees, a sweet substance that is suitable for tea, bread, and more. Honey is in fights inflammation. Inflammation is when our body is kind of angry. Inside, honey helps calms it down, so
Okay, be
our heart
careful,
does.
Raisha. So see, when you read, dia jadi macam tu. Inflammation is when our body is kind of angry. Inside, honey, no. It's actually inflammation is when our body is kind of angry inside. Betul tak? So you have to practice this. Maksudnya jangan baca.
Okay.
Okay? So you have to practice this. So don't baca but yeah, express. Okay.
Honey keeps it down, so our heart doesn't get too stressed. Honey makes our blood flows more smoother. It helps our blood vessels relax, so our heart doesn't have to work so hard. Dark honey is extra healthy. Like Twilight, honey in Malaysia. It has more heart protecting stuff. Honey gives, sorry, I put this, natural honey without hurting our heart. Not like sugary drinks that makes our heart race too fast.
Okay, kejap. There's a lot of ayat that we need to change. It's very circularized. Um, honey fights inflammation. We cannot say that sebenarnya in 5D because honey doesn't have anything. Allah yang buat sebenarnya ya. So we can say inflammation in our body can be reduced through honey. Through the consumption of honey.
Did I spell through right?
Betul. The consumption of honey. Bila makan honey. Consume. CONSUMP. CON. CON. N.
SUN.
No M. N. CON. Con. Like kena connect.
Oh,
CON.
CU.
No.
N.
Daripada awal lagi dah salah. CON. SUMPTION. Okay. Of honey. Okay, inflammation is when our body is kind of angry inside. Honey helps, boleh. Honey helps tak apa. Dia help je. Okay, honey makes our blood flow smoother. No, only Allah can make that. Our blood flows smoother with the help of honey.
Oops.
With the help of honey. Yes. Okay, then we explain it helps our blood vessel relax. Yes, dark honey is extra healthy, like tualang honey in Malaysia, betul. It has more heart protecting. It has been blessed. It has been blessed with. Yeah, maknanya Allah yang bless kan. Allah yang letak. Bukan honey tu pandai-pandai ada heart protecting stuff. Honey gives natural energy without hurting our heart. Okay, there's no natural. The word natural we don't like to use. Okay. Honey gives. Honey doesn't give. Tak payah. Delete the whole thing. Okay. Okay. Sugary. While sugary.
Wait.
We can get energy, but macam mana ayat tadi dia kata dia compare dengan sugary drink jadi apa?
Doesn't make our body works too fast.
Okay.
Wait, how about that?
Okay. Compared to sugary energy drinks. Energy drinks. Honey. No, it's not honey, sorry. Energy provided through honey is more apa tadi subtle and macam di slower ya. Subtle. SUBTLE. BTLE. Subtle and kind to the body. Yeah. To the body. Yeah. Alright. So yeah. So in 5D, we are very with the words lah. We don't want to say that this makhluk have any power. Okay.
Wait. Yeah.
And honey, yeah, contains.
Honey contains something called antioxidants. It's a big word, but it basically means they are designed to protect our cells. They stop harmful molecules called free radicals from hurting our body, especially our heart. Honey is good, but too much of everything is bad. So I'm informing you not to eat too much honey and other food.
Okay, again, on the left, dia tunjukkan macam honey ni power sangat. Padahal honey tak ada power. Yang ada power Allah. Okay, so we have to be careful on how we say it. Honey is blessed with antioxidant.
Ah. Yeah.
With something called antioxidant. Boleh. But it is basically they are designed to protect. It's a big word, but it basically means that they are designed. Okay, betul. They are designed. So maknanya ada design. Something called antioxidant. Okay. And they are designed to protect ourselves. Fine. They stop harmful molecule. No. Okay. Harmful molecule. Yeah, buang they stop. Just start the ayat with harmful molecules are prevented. Harmful molecule, yes, correct. Are prevented. Are prevented. From hurting our body, especially heart. Okay, good. That's it.
Yeah, sorry. What did it
Prevented. Prevented. P-R-E-V-E-N-T-E-D. Correct.
Sorry, my keyboard is not working.
Okay.
Wait, the image, should we put after compare or before compare?
You can put it here. Yeah.
But does it fit?
Yeah. Yeah, just a small car. A human heart. Yeah. Human body cannot function without the heart. A human pumps.
A human heart is consists comparison. Human heart versus compared with car engine. Human body cannot function without the heart. Or should I read this?
Then a human body cannot function without the heart, while a car cannot function without the engine.
Yeah, it's function wrong. A human pumps blood, while a car engine pumps fuel. A human heart consists of muscle, veins, blood, and valves, while a car engine consists of motor, gears, and screws.
Okay. So correct your
grammar.
Yeah, grammar and your spelling.
Okay. Question. We all know a car engine can't appear on its own. It doesn't pop out of the ground and it doesn't build itself from metal. It needs a knowledgeable person to design it, shape it, test it, and make sure every part works together. So here's my question. Would it be smart if someone puts water instead of petrol in the engine? Will the car function well if we mistreated it and not take care of it? If we follow the instruction manuals of a car, shouldn't we also follow the instruction manuals for the heart?
Very nice, very good. Cumanya, in between the question, pause for about 3 seconds to let people think. Biar orang fikir, kita bukan nak jawapan, nak dia berfikir dulu kan. So kalau you terlalu cepat with the incoming question, nanti dia tak sempat nak berfikir. So would it be smart if someone put water instead of petrol in the engine. 1, 2, 3. Will the car function well if we mistreated it and not take care of it? 1, 2, 3. By this time, I hope the audience will be responsive lah. Right? They will answer you lah kan. Would it be smart? No. Will the car function well if we mistreated it and not take care of it? So bila you bertanya tu, you make sure that you are bertanya so that they know that you are waiting for their answer. Right? Take care of it. Tapi kalau you main baca je, then you be like, ni nak bertanya ke dia nak beritahu? So we have to be clear that we are asking question because it is a step of asking question. So would it be smart if somebody put water instead of petrol in the car, in the engine? Then the kids will say, no. Will the car function well if we mistreated it and not take care of it? No. If we follow the instruction manual of a car, shouldn't we also follow the instruction for the heart? Kalau dia orang tak faham soalan, dia main suka jawab je, then the kids will be like, no. No, the answer should be yes. Okay, all right. Then next.
Connect. When we look at the car engine, we never say it just happened. We don't say it built itself or it came from luck. We know someone designed it, planned every single part, and make sure it works it works. Now, think about the human heart. The heart pumps day and night, never resting, never stopping. It works with perfect timing, perfect strength, and perfect balance. The perfect design of a human heart shows that its creator is the perfect creator. I forgot to put the Arabic. Al-Halik and also Al-Shafi, the healer that gives honey to heal the heart. And lastly, Al-Muhaymin, the guardian, the overseer, the preserver who watch over and protect all things according to his divine plans.
Raisha, is there any way you can memorize this so that this slide, you can just put the name of Allah?
I can try.
Or you can have it printed. This one you print, you hold it. Tapi on the slide, bila orang dengar, bila orang tengok, because I want them to focus on the nama Allah tu. I don't want them to focus on reading. Okay, you can read. If you cannot memorize, it's fine for you to read. Bila sampai step connect, you just take out the paper and then you just read. That's fine. Tapi on the slides, you can put besar-besar the Arabic, the how to pronounce it, and also what is the meaning of Al-Halik, Al-Shafi, and Al-Muhaymin. So tiga Asma'ul Husna besar-besar so that all the audience see it. Because that at the end of the day, that is what we want them to see. What Asma'ul Husna relate to your presentation.
Wait, we can use the script but not really look at the script, right?
Yeah, correct. So this picture, this particular slide, don't show this. It's too much words.
Okay.
At the connect step, I just want to see Asma'ul Husna, tiga ketul.
Okay.
And then you explain that. And when you explain it, if you have to read from the script on your hand, that is fine.
Okay.
Okay.
This is a big break.
Okay.
Appreciate. Zikr, fikir, and shukr. Remember that only Allah can create such a complete creation with its needs. Think about how Allah creates the properties of honey to be nutritious and valuable for a healthy heart. Thank Allah for His perfect creations to help us become a better servant.
Okay, hari tu aunty suruhkan letak the word zikir sebelah remember. So you have a big zikir kat atas remember tu. Lepas tu fikir dekat atas think. And then syukur. So when you present, you clearly sebut zikir. Remember that only Allah can create such a complete creation with its need. And then something like that, correct. Then fikir, think about how Allah create the properties of honey to be nutritious. And then syukur, thank Allah. Yeah. So orang faham apa itu zikir, apa itu fikir, and apa itu syukur. Betul. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And lastly, create character lessons. Honey is a great gift which we need to appreciate. We need to learn how to live a life according to the Quran and Sunnah, especially when it comes to eating. Real honey supports heart health better than fake sugary stuff. The lesson is be true to yourself. Don't fake your personality or who you are.
Love that. MashaAllah. Okay.
Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice. Oh, MashaAllah. Thank you, Raisha.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Is the auction wajib or is it just if you want to?
It's optional. Don't you have something to sell? I think you have a lot to sell, right?
I do, but I think I can make it in a couple of days. Let me show you. Hello. Sorry. Right.
Yeah,
Then
you can sell that. I'm sure ada orang nak beli. It's handmade, right? Oh, MashaAllah. Yeah. Siapa who wants to buy this cosplay? Berapa ringgit ni? Berapa ringgit?
Usually people sell it for 100 or 50.
Alamak. Then I don't know if ada orang nak beli for that much. I don't know. I have people buy it from you for 100?
I do have the smaller versions. Do you want to see?
Yeah. Or just the mask. Mask? Yang murah sikit lah so that people can buy.
Yeah, it's more like 50 or 10.
Yes. Something like that. Siapa nak beli ni dan the kid will be, nak lah Umi, nak tu, nak jadi binatang. Yeah, siapa yang nak tu then they can ask the mommy to buy for you. Yeah, okay. Yes. Oh, no dog, please.
I have a mix.
Yeah. Cats or fox is fine, but no dogs. Okay. All right. Yeah.
Natisha,
Yeah.
macam mana kalau nanti ada orang luar negara datang?
Kenapa?
Lah, kalau apa, orang luar negara boleh ke datang juga?
Boleh? All right. Thank you, Raisha. Okay, now Mariam.
Aunty, Mariam tunjuk board je tau.
Okay. Oh, dah siap dah. Oh, Masya Allah. Oh, Masya Allah. That is so nice. Macam mana nak dirikan tu, Mariam? You have a holder or something? Macam nak tegakkan? Nanti hari Rabu explain kat aunty and then aunty akan tanya soalan. So that Mariam boleh practice macam mana nak jawab soalan. Okay? Okay, Mariam?
Oh, okay.
Alright. Very nice. Oh, very nice. Okay, nanti Rabu nanti kita boleh practice insyaAllah.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Good job. Okay, Mariam pula lagi. Apa lepas Mariam siapa? Khadijah.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are these the ones that you're going to print and then put it on? No.
No, this is not for the booth. I'll get the same context but design it differently.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to be presenting about my project from garden to gallery.
Mhm.
Explore. The materials needed for this project are a mold and decal, water, used or unused paper, flowers, and additional elements of your choice. The only thing you need to buy for this project is the mesh, the mold and decal, or you can make it yourself to make the paper. The steps are soak the paper overnight, blend the paper until soft, pour into a clear big container filled with water, and get the mesh and start filling in the pulp of the paper to the mold. The mesh will separate the pulp and water, leaving a thin piece of paper. After that, lightly press the paper with a sponge into a piece of cloth, then dry it. Fun facts: the word paper comes from the word papyrus. Paper was worth more than gold back then. All papyrus paper scrolls could reach 40 meters.
MashaAllah.
And I'll change the thing lah.
Very
I have made a lot of batches of the paper,
mm,
but I didn't take all of the pictures, but I have some. So nanti waktu the showcase, I'll really show all of my papers
very nice.
and like the
Oh,
process.
cantiknya. Oh, Masya Allah.
Yeah, there's like so much more. Tapi video ni kejap je.
Ya Allah, cantiknya. How many days did it take to dry?
1 day je, or like 1 hari je lah, bukan like one night. Or boleh juga one night, tapi tak lama sangat lah dia akan kering.
Okay, can you pick one? This is a request from me. Can you pick one and then can you draw something on it? And then you put some quotes on it and then frame it and then we sell it at the auction.
Oh boleh, I bought some frame stuff. I dah beli frame untuk the auction too.
So probably put ayat Quran or something you choose.
Yeah.
Right, and then we can auction one or two during the auction for Aceh.
Yeah.
Correct? Very nice.
Cool.
Mashallah.
So ada my 5D steps in this presentation that I'll be putting on my booth. Step 2, compare. I'll be comparing papyrus paper and recycled paper because papyrus was made from trees back then in ancient Egypt, and recycled paper was made from the paper now. Comparison. Comparison in material, method, appearance, texture, and durability. Papyrus paper from plants, from used paper products. Takes 1 week, takes about 1 day. The color, yellow brownish. The appearance, the other color, white, off-white, or gray. Material, texture, rough, fibrous, visible strips, smoother, thin, or thicker. Durability, suitable for legal documents and long-lasting. And the other one is less durable and it can depend. Question. To produce recycled paper, there has to be a maker and designer. The maker decides the thickness, the design, the details, and the purpose of the paper. Does the paper itself decide when to dry itself? If we gathered every material for the project and put it on a table and wait, will anything happen? Unless there is a maker with knowledge and skill to do it. We decide to put where the flowers will be placed, the leaves, the seeds, the thickness, and all. So that means the whole universe had an intention and purpose, just like we did by placing flowers and having a purpose to what we do.
Very good. Cuma ada a bit, wait, go back. Are you going to print this or are you going to show this?
Maybe I'll change the little details nanti sebab I will laminate the printed paper and I'll be like sticking it on a board.
Okay, so there's a spelling mistake. Does the paper
Yeah.
COES, and then and yes, does. And then unless there is a maker with knowledge and skills to do it, that is tergantung. It's hanging. So if you want to use unless there is a maker with knowledge and skill to do it, comma, nothing will happen.
Like that?
Nothing will happen. Yeah, something like that. We decide to put the flowers to be placed, leave, and so. So all that means that the whole universe had an intention and purpose. Okay, that means that the whole universe has an intentional designer.
Yes,
has an intentional designer and purpose. Just like you did a paper kan, there's a designer, you are the designer. No, not design, designer, orang, pembuat, designer, intentional
intentional.
designer. Okay. Okay, tak apa, nanti adjust. Okay, good.
Okay. Oh yeah, any question? Connect. I tried connecting, but ada lagi. So papyrus paper comes from the plant. To grow, you need soil, water, sun, river, lake, sea, ocean, space, moon, other planets, galaxy. I tried to connect macam ni, tapi tak jadi sangat. But I can ubah the thing. The creator who created the tree also created everything.
Yeah, what's important is the conclusion.
Macam mana?
What's important here is that conclusion. So you might want to make it highlighted. The creator who created the tree also created everything it depends on. Because the tree needs soil, the tree needs water, right?
Oh, yeah.
Everything it needs or it depends on.
Boleh tulis ke? Okay.
Nanti
Macam
tulis.
mana?
The creator who the creator who created the tree also created everything the tree needs.
The tree depends on.
Yes, boleh. Yeah. I mean, it's bigger and, it should be bigger, and that's the highlight of this slide.
Connect takes texture paper. The materials were used paper, molten decal, water, blender, electricity, cloth, and clip. Everything is interconnected. If we miss one element, the process cannot be completed. But even if we had everything we needed, but we had no maker to create it, nothing would have happened.
Exactly.
Al-Husna. Al-Hafiz, the preserver, the protector. Allah is Al-Hafiz and the one who gave humans to recycle as a way to keep the earth protected from waste pollution, wasting goods, and to keep the environment conditioned.
Okay, Allah is Al-Hafiz, the one. Okay, so you have more than one Asma'ul Husna, right?
Yeah.
Can you combine all the Asma'ul Husna in one page? So just leave this with the connect.
Oh, what?
Yeah. Okay. So you have Al-Hafiz. What else you have? You have
Al-Mu'id and Al-Jami'.
Okay, good. All right.
I have to.
Yeah, tak apa. Ini buat kemudian. Okay.
Okay. Al-Mu'id, the restorer. The restorer. Allah is Al-Mu'id, the restorer. He is the only one to bring life to death. We restart our old unused used paper by bringing it back with some designs, additional things, and more, and it's beneficial.
Good.
Al-Jami', the gatherer, the unifier, the assembler. Allah is the one who gathers, collects, unites into harmony. When doing the project, misspelling, you have to gather multiple materials you have to gather multiple materials. When it's finished, it unites into something beautiful and beneficial.
Beneficial. Benefit.
Beneficial.
Benefit.
Appreciate. We need to appreciate for the paper we use daily. You don't realize how difficult the process is to make it. It takes many tries, some work out, some fail. So don't ever take your things for granted and appreciate the benefits of things Allah gave us. What if there were no paper? We could have had certificates, no notes, no
We don't
documents.
have books. I don't care about birth certificates. I don't have books. Okay.
Zikr, fikr, shukr. Zikr. Remember that Allah designs everything with a purpose. Even something that's left over, used, wasted. Everything has a purpose to it. Fikr. Think about how amazing Allah gave us a blessing to think. He gave us the blessing to come up with thoughts, ideas, statements, and so much more, including the thought to recycle paper. Shukr. Be grateful that this project doesn't require big, large machines, so it's very easy to make.
Betul. MashaAllah.
Oh, I forgot to put the character lesson, but I can put it waktu nak print boleh?
Boleh.
Okay, so for the
Get your
auction,
mom to run through it.
yeah. So for the auction, I will draw. These are examples of my art. I will be drawing Aceh-related art pieces. For
Wait,
example,
I just need to scream first at the Nakib Alatas. Is that Nakib Alatas?
yes.
I thought it's your grandpa. Okay. Oh, Masya Allah. Oh, Masya Allah. That's very nice. Who's that girl in the helmet?
Oh, that's my baby cousin.
Ah,
And
yeah.
the other is like random.
Masya Allah. Masya Allah. That's beautiful. Who's that confused looking girl? Is that Afsa?
No,
Afsa, is
it's
that
my
you?
no, it's my cousin's friend. I gave her like a free drawing. So yeah.
Oh, Masya Allah. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. So awesome. Yeah, if you can draw Aceh related pieces, um, can you, I don't know how quick you can do it. Can you draw a masjid with all the logs uh
Boleh?
around it?
Yes.
You just take a picture of the current Aceh punya banjir.
Yeah, and do like the masjid protected
Yeah,
when it's like furnished and it's
yeah,
beautiful.
correct.
Boleh?
Then on top of the wood, then you put lah ayat Quran yang mengingatkan about anything, what the lesson learned that we can get from the flood. Maybe that Allah tests you. Allah only tests what you can bear, things like that. Or with
Yeah.
every hardship, Allah will erase your sin or something like that. Something
Boleh?
motivational, but
Yeah.
with an Aceh picture on it.
Boleh?
Yeah. Okay.
Boleh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do that. That one we can. I
Then
I
bang.
I will bid for minimum 100 ringgit. If you
Then,
really really make it very nice, and then I say this is cannot go less than 100 ringgit for sure. Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Awesome.
you for your
Yeah.
attention.
Thank you. Okay, Raid.
Dengar tak?
Ya.
Tadi saya ada baru apa yang connect dengan question. Ni dah tengok question, critical thinking. Who created the creatures with unique minds who let the people with unique minds? Who let the people give mercy on those animals that are in danger? Who designed these creatures that can survive like no other can? Who made the prophets with pure mind to remember? No other being is like Allah's mind. Who let the person with a black heart, black soul, have wealth, trust, and mercy? Why only a specific number of people like to fool these people to thinking Fir'aun is to thinking he is God or Fir'aun is God? But everyone knows God cannot feel fear. Nila is just seharusnya connect Ar-Rahman, the most or entirely merciful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the hypocrites countless examples what it means to be a Muslim. But their arrogant selfishness, fame, decided they are God. We cannot blame Shaitan for what we did. Al-Ghaffar, the constant forgiver, the great forgiver. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forgiven people who did heartless things to the imps. But the hypocrites still doubt except Allah as the true God. Al-Hasib, the reckoning. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the true reckoner. He alone showed examples that are unreal. He annihilated Fir'aun and his army with one splitted sea. Destroyed Namrud with an army of mosquitoes, Ba'ud. Ravished Abraha with an army of birds, Rabil.
For the sorry, go back. For the Al Munafiq, sorry, the Al Ghafur. Let's make it a bit positive. Allah is the constant forgiver, the great forgiver. Then we can say like this: even if, when we realize, not even if, when we realize we have some traits of the munafiqun, we should haste, we should hurry, we should be hurry in seeking forgiveness and stop being a munafiqun.
Ni apa saya referencing ni yang saya belajar dekat Uhud kan.
Ah,
Ada satu orang ni dia asyik je perang dengan Nabi Muhammad kan. Masa last-last dia jadi Muslim. Masuk Islam balik. Tapi dia Muhammad tak nak jumpa muka dia. Tak nak nampak muka dia. Tapi dia masih masuk Islam.
Yeah.
Even though dia buat banyak benda jahat.
Okay, but it's okay. But because people don't know the context, and the purpose of your game is to show that how people can be very deceiving. They can be looking very good, but they can be very bad inside, betul? Right? At the same time, we also want people to be mindful that kita ni can also be included into munafik anytime. Betul tak, right? Right? So they are type, Rasulullah SAW said apa? What are the ciri-ciri of the munafikun? Bila dia berjanji, dia tak tepati. Bila dia bercakap, dia dusta. Right? So, tell me today, who hasn't lied? Tell me today, who hasn't break their promise? Kan?
Siapa?
So, everybody does that.
Tak siapa yang keep their promises and kan?
Tak ada siapa yang perfect from this munafikun traits. That's what I'm saying. But the moment we realize that tak boleh menipu lah. Aku dah buat promise, I have to keep it lah because otherwise I become a munafik. So we terus taubat. So that's why Allah is a constant forgiver. No matter how many times you slipped, you have to ask for forgiveness. That's why Rasulullah SAW yang perfect tu pun ask for forgiveness 70 times every after salat. Because we will slip as a human. So can we reword Al-Ghafur tu, Al-Ghafar tu? We said that Allah is the great forgiver. So every time we slipped, Allah will forgive us no matter how many times we slipped. Is correct. Stop. Every time, full stop. Okay. Every time we may display a trait like a munafiqun, like a munafik, we should seek forgiveness immediately. Nobody is perfect, but every time we slip, we have to, astaghfirullah, 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 astaghfirullah azim, ya Allah, I did not mean that. I did not mean to do that, but I did. So sorry. And then we become baik a bit, and then we sleep again, and then we astaghfirullah again. I mean, Allah loves people who do a lot of taubat. Okay? All right.
Yang lagi sikit.
Yang lain.
Syarama munafikun ni lain. If we return to Al-Madinah, indeed the more honorable Abdullah bin Ubay bin Salul, the chief of hypocrites at Al-Madinah, will expel therefrom the meaning, Allah's messenger. But honor, power, and glory belong to Allah, His messenger, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and to the believers, but the hypocrites now know not. Appreciate moral and spiritual reflection. Zikir, shukr. Remember, it's Subhanallah. Allah, the one who created the prophets with clear minds. Remember, no one can outmatch Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is the only one, only true God. Reflection, Allah, how can a man fool countless people, but if a prophet shows something unreal, the army still comes after them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showed them a chance to step in Jannah. This shows how much mercy Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has. Maksudnya Allah dah tunjuk benda macam unreal,
Lepas tu
Hmm.
diorang masih tak macam ikut.
Hmm.
Sebab diorang tahu yang ada bukan yang Nabi Musa yang buat. Alhamdulillah. Grateful. And
Just if you can.
tentang yang split the sea dengan Abraha, burung-burung tu. Dengan Namrud yang mesti tu.
Hmm.
Namrud yang mesti tu. Alhamdulillah. Allah SWT. Alhamdulillah. Allah SWT is the most merciful. He gave us a different time to be born. And regardless if we were born in a different timeline, it's Fir'aun, Namrud, or Abraham, Allah SWT still shows us. No
But you
matter.
know what, right? We have our own Fir'aun, we have our own Namrud, we have our own Abraham, don't we? We have Netanyahu,
Huh?
we have Donald Trump.
Trump, IDF, Israel.
Yeah, we have our own version of Fir'aun, we have our own version of Namrud, we have our own version of Abraham. So they are.
Kita sekarang
Hmm.
ada our own Abraha, Fir'aun, Namrud kan.
Hmm.
Tapi we have a way to communicate people yang tak tahu lah, yang orang tak pandai lah. So itulah kita punya Allah punya
Kelebihan.
mercy. Allah
Okay,
punya mercy.
Masya Allah. I get your point. Very good. Masya Allah. Thank you.
Character lesson boleh lagi buat sebab tadi masa malam,
Hmm.
semalam saya pergi tempat ni, tempat office saya untuk buat dah apalah kan. Office saya.
Hmm.
Lepas tu kita datang balik tak ada wifi. So tak sempatlah buat character lesson.
All right, that's okay. We still have time. So think about it. Nanti hari Jumaat nanti nak tengok, okay?
Hmm.
All right. I'm not going to give you ideas even. I just want to see what you can come up with.
Ini saya dah letak ni.
Masya Allah.
This is the creations to Thailand where 5GT is found. Nanti saya ada macam ni.
Hmm.
And one animal is fake. Pick one which one you think is fake. Lepas tu nanti saya akan cakap, you think that there's only one, you punya ada dua. But this is how orang trick your mind. You sacrifice one big information to manipulate you even more. Faham tak?
Okay.
Like that lah. Nanti saya cakap. Nanti saya pun ayah juga. Nanti saya ni juga. Ni macam interactable showcase. Interactable place. Okay, itu je lah.
Okay, thank you. Very nice, right? Masya Allah. I look forward to your game booth. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. What is the list? Where is the list? Afia, then Alpha, and then Nusaiba and Shifa.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
My screen. You nampak tak my screen?
Can you share screen?
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Not yet. Not yet. It's coming.
Explore what is AI. AI is technology made to imitate.
Tak dengar lah, Afia. Putus-putus.
I think humans already have our own intelligence, so we should rely on that more. AI started in the 1950s in research labs. As tech improved, it spread everywhere. Now it's in phones, social media, chatbots, and smart devices. So this is the timeline of the users. ChatGPT is making you dumber according to a new MIT Media Lab study found that using ChatGPT can weaken critical thinking and creativity. For young adults write essays using ChatGPT, Google Search, or Note2 for researchers track brain activity. the lowest engagement in all 52 brain regions noticed by the teacher. Can you hear me?
Yeah, badly. Tak dengar lah, Fia. No. Tak dengar juga. Okay, never mind. We cannot hear you. Okay, tak apa, tak apa. Yeah, we can see the slides. Okay, this is going to be the game. People will test. Well, let's not tell people the jawapan. So it will be a game. Afia going to ask you guys to guess which one is AI and which one is real. Okay, alright. So don't need nanti dia tidur orang pecah lubang. Jangan cik beritahu. Okay. Okay, alright. Thank you, Pia. Lepas Pia, Alpha. Okay, Alpha.
Tapi tak buat slide tau.
Okay, tak apa.
So baca teks je lah.
Are you going to you plan to hafal ke apa?
Yeah, plan to hafal. Have you ever felt the earth breathing? Assalamualaikum, I'm Alfa, and today I'm going to tell you a story of the fire beneath and the fire beyond. Picture yourself near a volcano. You don't even have to touch the volcano. The heat reaches you. The ground trembles, the air hums, and you realize beneath this calm earth lies a sea of fire. And in that moment, I remember a verse. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا قوا أنفسكم وأهليكم نارا وقودها الناس والحجارة عليها ملائكة غلاظ شداد لا يعصون الله ما أمرهم ويفعلون ما يؤمرون. O you who have believed, protect yourself and your families from a fire whose fuel is people and stones, over which are angels, harsh and severe. They do not disobey Allah in what He commands them, but do what they are commanded. Surah At-Tahrim, verse number 6. That's not just a metaphor, it's a reality. Allah let us see a glimpse of it right here, beneath our feet. The earth's core burns at over 1,200 degrees Celsius, enough to melt stone. And yet the Prophet ﷺ said, the fire of this world is 1 part out of 70 parts of hellfire. 1 out of 70. If this 1 part can melt mountains, what then of the fire beyond? When I study volcanoes, I don't just see geology. I see the human heart. The earth hides fire beneath its crust, and we hide fire beneath our calm faces. Anger, ego, desire, they're like magma, silent until they erupt. But here's the mercy. Even a volcano, after eruption, cools into fertile land. From destruction comes creation. Allah reminds us, fire can burn, but it can also purify. Perhaps that's why Allah placed fire both beneath the earth and within us, to teach us balance, to cool the fire of sin with the water of remembrance. Salah cools anger, zikr cools guilt, Salah cools anger, istighfar cools guilt, zikr cools pride. So next time when you feel fire rising within you, remember, beneath your feet and within your soul, there is both power and mercy. Thank you.
All right. Okay, Masya Allah. That's very good, Alpha. Cumanya, Okay, I see the whole story is beautiful, mashallah. There's a lot of message that we can gather from this. Cumanya it's a 5D showcase. Alright, so if a 5D showcase, kita kena buat in a 5D steps. I'm not too sure if you're familiar. Are you familiar with the 5D steps?
No.
No, right? Okay. So there are 5 steps. So macam so far you dah tengok kan kawan-kawan lain
Yeah.
present macam mana. Ada step 1, ada step 2, ada step 3, ada step 5. So all of this what you have is good. Cumanya dia in terms of 5D is a bit jumbled up here and there lah. For example, when you start with the Quran, ayat Quran, we don't start with ayat Quran right away. We only put that in step connect, step 4. All your step 5 is excellent. And then what's missing is also the Asma'ul Husna.
Yeah.
So in 5D, we always talk about Asma'ul Husna because what we believe in 5D is that 5D is actually the study of creation. For example, the volcano, we study the volcano. Lepas tu, through the studying of the volcano, we can see the manifestation, kezahiran of Allah punya Asma'ul Husna. So if you look at volcano, for example, what kind of Asma'ul Husna that comes to mind? Okay, guys, can you help me? When we look at the volcano, what kind of Asma'ul Husna do we see? Anyone?
Al-Aziz.
Al-Aziz, which means?
Al-Aziz is the most powerful.
The most powerful, okay. Auris, you doing volcano. What Asma'ul Husna you have? In your slide tadi? Raib type Al-Hasib, the reckoner. Yang maha menghitung. Auris?
Al-Khaliq. Easy.
Al-Khaliq. Al-Khaliq. Al-Jabbar. Yang powerful.
Al-Qahar.
Al-Qahar. What does that mean?
Kat sini tulis bahasa Melayu ni. Yang maha menaklukkan.
Menakluk. The
Al-Mufawwir. The patient.
overpowering. Al-Hakam, Ziad say. Why Al-Hakam? The judge. Yes, it could be also Allah is sending the volcano as a judgment. We don't even know, right? So, kita kena kaitkan juga dengan Asma'ul Husna. And then, ujung baru kita kaitkan dengan ayat Quran as a sealing, as a sealant of all the learning, right? So I will do this. I will help you, inshallah. Alfa, don't worry, we still have time. I will rearrange your piece. Was this written by you?
Yeah.
Oh, mashallah, that's very nice, mashallah. So I will rearrange it according to the steps. And
Okay.
then we will have to add in Asma'ul Husna. And then like character lessons dah ada kat sini over here. And then yeah, inshallah just to make it rearrange it into 5D steps. Boleh? Sebab nama pun 5D showcase kan. Otherwise is perfect. Yeah. Okay. You won't mind, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright. Thank you, Alfa. Okay, I'll do it. Inshallah. Lepas ni I have to travel to cyber. So I will try and do it by tonight. And then I'll send it over to you. Then you can practice. Then we have another class on Friday. Inshallah, you can join then, and then we go through it again.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, Alfa.
Welcome.
Who's next? Nusaibah and Amina. Okay. Have you guys decided who's gonna do which part? Nusaibah, Shifa?
Yeah, we've been decided.
Have you decided?
Because apa semuanya tu? Yeah. Wait. Mana? Sekejap. Wait. Sekejap ya. Auntie Sheila, this is our simulation for our booth.
Wah, ada simulation. Okay, Masya Allah. So that is not the actual, it's just a simulation je.
Simulation. And
Masya Allah.
tambah lagi elements.
Masya Allah, Masya Allah. Oh, Masya Allah, that's pretty. That's nice. Oh, ini baru simulation ni. Ini baru simulation ni. Masya Allah.
This one is the this side is the end result.
Mhm.
Okay. Well, I have a question for you. Can we do demo in front of the judges?
Yes, you can. Well, you won't know who are the judges. That's the thing. It will be secret judge. The reason why I make it secret because I want you guys to perform not only for the judge. You have to perform for everybody. Okay?
So on the table we will put some our experiment shovel.
Mm-hmm.
Nampak dah benda.
Boleh, boleh. Masya Allah. Very nice. Alah, jatuhlah pula ya. Nasib baik ada assistant. Ha. Thank you, assistant.
So meja itu dia besar ke kecil?
A typical, well, a typical bouquet. Bouquet pula dah banquet table.
Okay, so that's all. And thank you.
Okay, Masya Allah. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, so we will not have, we have 3 judges, but rahsia, tak ada siapa tahu siapa judge-nya, because I want everybody to, don't do it for the judge, okay? You do it for everybody yang datang, and Allah is the one who choose who will come to your booth. So when your niat is to do dakwah, to spread people of how to connect to Allah, so we are not doing it for the judges. We are doing it for everybody yang datang. Everybody yang datang wants to know how to connect to Allah through 5D, and that is what we do. Okay? All right.
Okay.
So there will be 3 judges, but you won't know who it is. Okay, alright. So and the 3 judges, 2 orang tak tahu menahu pasal 5D. Seorang je yang tahu 5D. So bila 2 orang tak tahu 5D tu yang susah, because you guys have to really cerita bagi dia nampak apa itu 5D. So I asked the judge to go and tell me which booth, which TED Talk that makes you very clear of what 5D is about. Alright. Okay. Alright.
I have another question for you.
Sure.
Boleh ke kat belakang nanti, kat belakang background je kat sini, kita nak letak elements, kita nak letak macam, nak letak gambar apa, nak letak macam letak action boss supaya nanti dia nampak meriah, tak nampak macam
kosong.
Ya.
Boleh nak letak tampal adik tu kat situ pun boleh. Lagi meriah. Boleh. It's your booth. It's up to you. Okay? Yeah. Do it. Yeah. I mean, do it all out. But then again, ingatkan, I just want to remind everybody again here why we are doing it. We are not to impress anyone but Allah. Okay? We are here to do dakwah, to spread dakwah through 5D. Macam mana nak connect people back to Allah through science, yeah? Okay, so just have that niat in mind, and then insyaAllah, Allah will bless our event insyaAllah, and then it will be one of the most memorable thing in our lives insyaAllah, yeah. Mana tahu kita masuk kubur nanti tengok-tengok, wah dapat pahala. Datang mana pahala ni? Oh, ada orang dulu masa awak kecil-kecil dulu, awak buat 5D, awak buat boost tu, awak bercakap tu, saya ingat lepas balik tu saya terus solat taubat, saya terus nak ingat Allah balik, saya terus jadi orang baik. Manalah tahu. Kan? And then whatever sebelum tu dia tak solat, sebelum tu dia tak but then dia datang on 5D and then dia tengok all this amazing thing that you guys are doing, and then dia teruslah malu, aku malu siut, malu asal aku dah tua gila dah, aku tak pernah nampak Allah pun in anything. Buat budak-budak ni kecil-kecil lagi dah nampak Allah in everything. Aku malu. Lepas tu aku taubat doh. Aku solat taubat doh. Lepas tu aku jadi terus baik doh. So every solat, every amalan yang dia buat lepas tu, because of your sharing, will be also your pahala. Right? So, yeah. Sebab lah nanti. So, yeah. Sorry, I have to gather myself a bit. Um, so yeah, ingat pesan nanti that this is a dakwah that we do, dan mana tahu Allah pilih siapa yang nak datang nanti. Manalah tahu manalah tahu because of apa yang kita share itu ada orang yang balik pada Allah. So every time dia buat baik, every hasanat, dan kita pun dapat pahala, insyaAllah, kalau Allah sudi terima. And people are at loss out there. They need help. They don't see Allah. And insyaAllah, through 5D, they can start to see Allah in everything, in every event in their life. And thanks to all of you hard work. So be very careful of your niat. Okay? Jaga niat elok-elok. And do your best. And then, yeah. Inshallah, everything will fall into places. And thank you for all your hard work, mashallah. I love every effort. Yeah, may Allah accept and make the event a successful one in His eyes. I don't care about what other people say. We only care about what Allah says. Okay? All right? Thank you, guys. All right. We'll see you, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam, bye.
Thank you, Auntie.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Auntie.
Ya, Auntie.
Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
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 Are you guys staying to play?
Yeah, I think.
All right. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, Auntie.
Assalam.
Yeah.
Thank you.